Man, y'all slept on these, bruh. Y'all slept on them. I don't know how, but I'm cool with it because I got a deal, bruh. But y'all know how we do it. Let's talk about it, man. Y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll camera. What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and of course, menswear fashion. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know you rocking with the team. Now, look, I hope y'all enjoyed y'all weekend. I hope y'all had fun this past Halloween weekend. I know I did. I dressed up and I got in costume because Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, non-traditional holidays. But at the same time, if you didn't even enjoy that, shout out to my college kids that's out there, man. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all homecoming weekend. If y'all haven't got to homecoming yet, I know we really can't do anything. We can't hit those college campuses. We can't wild out. We can't style. We can't hit no games or anything like that. But hopefully y'all still enjoyed yourself, whether it was virtually, listening to some iHeartRadio, listening to your old school vibe, remembering the good times that you was doing when you was in college and having some fun. So shout out to all the HBCUs. Shout out to my Greeks, my fraternities and sororities, and everybody that's out there getting their education on. And shout out to my brothers of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated. Y'all know what it is. Blue Phi Go Mob. Y'all already know. But now, man, today we are actually going to get into some sneaker content because I haven't talked about it in a long time. And I apologize, I've been away, but sneakers have been on some bullshit. But y'all already know how that goes, man. So we already know how the bots and the resellers go. So I'm going to just kick it like this. We're just going to get into these sneakers. Y'all already see the title down below. I'm talking about the AirMax 1s, and I'm talking about the white gray colorway. Now, this is something I've been wanting to have for a long ass time. You know, I just came up on a steal. I got these boys for $90. Got these boys for $90, and I'm hella excited about it, man. So let's just hop up in here because I done held y'all long enough. Let's just hop into these sneakers, man. Y'all know how we do it. Let's just get to these sneakers, fam. Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Ooh. So look, this is one of my favorite sneakers, and I'm gonna keep it low key, like not even keep it low key, high key. This is shitting on a lot of the sneakers that a lot of people have been grabbing over their hype basic sneakers that they've been grabbing. And I don't know how a lot of people have let this slide by, but it's all love. We're about to talk about this sneaker, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why these boys are fire. So y'all already know how we do. Let's just hop at the bottom of this sneaker and let's get it on with the sole, man. All right, now first thing first, at the bottom of this sole, man, you will see that it is black. I think it completely brings this entire sneaker together simply because we already have a very light gray that's around this entire sneaker. You have a little bit of white, you have entirely gray around this entire sneaker, and then at the midsole you have this cream looking color. So at the bottom, that black is what actually makes this entire sneaker come together, because if it was white or anything like that, I really do think that it will make it a basic ass sneaker. But this black at the bottom actually makes the boy, it makes this boy come all together as one whole piece, and it really does show how you can do some color blocking on one sneaker no matter how light or how dark the sneaker is. So shout out to them for the bottom of this sole. This was fire. But this does lead me to the midsole. When you do get to the midsole, you'll see that it looks pretty white, and with the light that we got going on right here, it looks pretty white, but it is not. It's a very like off yellowish, off white, eggshell. I wouldn't say it, like, it's a very light cream looking color. That's what it is. A very light cream looking color. It's already giving you that worn effect on your sneaker already. It looks old, like it's about to do the yellowing, but it just hasn't. That's the initial look of this. It's supposed to look like it's about to yellow, but it's not. So I like that worn vintage sneaker like. I enjoy that. It makes it look really good. And what makes it even pop even more is when you look at the inside of the air, like the air basically. If you look at the air, you'll see on the inside, it's like this really dark cream looking color. Matter of fact, not even cream, it's like a khaki looking color. Bumping from a contrast from the bottom of the sole, which is black, going to this very light cream looking color of your midsole, and then on the inside of the air, you will actually see that it's like a yellowish khaki looking color. I think that's just dope right off the bottom. So anywhere you walk, and you're definitely going to have some attention to somebody that enjoys sneakers. Now getting to the upper, it's even better. You'll see that you have all shades of gray. This is why I love this. It looks on the picture, it shows, to me, it just doesn't do any justice on a photo. Although I'm not knocking the photographer, I'm saying this is a nice photo. It's a nice piece. But at the same time, when you get it in hand, we all know things can look a little bit more different. But when you do get it in hand, you start to see how dope this joint is. Now, if you look at the upper starting off, you'll see that there's a dark gray at the bottom of here. And that's one of the dopest parts of it, because simply you have this rough suede feel to it. It actually is rough suede. So when you feel on the bottom, it has that rough suede and it stands out. No matter if you was to wear it, just put it in your collection and sit it on the shelf, it stands out. But it makes it even better when you go a little bit higher and you start to see this lighter shade of gray. It's still a form of suede, which makes it pop even more. So of course, that I think that's now why I'm getting an understanding of it being called the white gray. Now, when we get to this Nike swoosh, shout out to Nike for even keeping like small detail to attention. They have tumble leather that's on this Nike swoosh. Most people would just think it's regular leather, and you'll think 9 times out of 10 you'll think that it's supposed to be suede or rougher suede or anything like that. They added an extra piece of leather on here, this tumble leather, and I love tumble leather once it comes to any type of sneaker, especially the Air Force Ones. But in this case, on this Air Max 1, on this swoosh, they did a good job by adding that extra piece of material. Instead of just keeping it all suede, they bounced to another material, which is the tumble leather. So shout out to them. Now next, what I want to give some attention to is the front of this sneaker, along with the upper ankle area of your sneakers. This joint is the mesh. Everybody, this cotton mesh. Anybody knows if I have some sneakers, if I got some dope joints and I have some mesh on there, of course it's all about comfort. I don't have to really worry about wrinkles in my sneaker or anything like that. And it just brings some comfort and some breathability on your shoe, man. And I'm just to look at it, I don't know if this, maybe it's my eyes playing tricks on me, but this kind of look white. But at the same time, if you turn it around, if you look at the inside of the shoe, you'll see that it's white. That's when it's white. But I think this is probably like a lighter shade of gray, because it does blend in with the laces that's on here, which is also gray as well. So it does blend in pretty well. So it might be just a very, very bright shade of gray. So shout out to them for like the illusion on this sneaker to make it look like it's white. The gray was so light that it looks white. Now this is a pretty good sneaker. I think that this is a legendary piece just simply because it could be like one of your most greatest essentials. Now we all have sneakers that's like, we have the sale sneakers that's coming out. We got the Sakai waffles that came out with crazy colorways, similar to this. But at the same time, the silhouette is what makes the sneaker. So in this case, I think that this is one of the most fire pieces. A lot of people have let this slip because they ain't hyped up. I'm actually satisfied. I'm more than satisfied. I'm happy because I actually have a raw ass silhouetted sneaker, and at the same time with some dope colors, dope materials. If you were to be paying attention to the Air Max 1, you will understand all the details that's coming to this sneaker, which makes this a fire piece. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this on my feet. Let me show you how these on feet look, man. I don't want to hold y'all too long. Y'all already stayed with me already. Let me know the details. Let me know how y'all feel about this piece. Do y'all think this is a dope pickup for me? Do y'all think it was a dope collection for me? Is this something that I could actually rock with compared to some other Air Maxes that have been released? I don't know. Y'all drop the comment down below. Let me know what's up, man. But yeah, let me get up out of here, man. I'm gonna show y'all how these look real quick. Y'all know how we do it, man. I'm gonna get up out of here. Gotta go pay some bills. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.